Hello, Landria here. We got a storm here in Atlanta. Hopefully we'll not have any interruptions. So I wanted to just show you why Thrive Themes is so amazing. I use Thrive Themes, Thrive Architect. It cost me $97 with no other fees or membership fees required for 5 different sites. And this is why I recommend them. They have landing pages and everything. Landing pages included in there, so you're not having to pay any outside source for your landing pages. So they have amazing tutorials on everything.
Welcome to Thrive Themes, WordPress admin
All right,
dashboard.
step by step. They have product tutorials. So what are the products? They include all kinds of products for you. All right, so when you go into these Thrive Architect plugins, it gives you instructions. But then they have webinar recordings that are very extensive. All right. Next generation list building tactics, how to create a complete list building funnel, how to have an effective blog page, generating traffic and monetizing your site, building a lead generation landing page. So this is where you can actually add one of their, I don't know how many they've got now, tons of beautiful landing pages that are included in there. See, look, and they're always upgrading. Building a lead generation page. So then they have
Hello and welcome to
these
this
amazing
people,
tutorials, step by step.
Okay, so this is
and look at these landing pages he's going to show.
So let's save this and look at what this page looks like.
Yeah, and you can do that right off of your Thrive's website. All right. So this is something that I'm adding because I have been using SLC, which has tracking issues and speed issues. And this is going to come right off my site, which is totally compliant. And I highly recommend that you invest that $97. I have a little video on how you do that because some people found it difficult to find it. So all of these tutorials are just so invaluable, and it really takes you through step by step how to make your website super effective. Now I'm going to go into, this guy's amazing. Look at all this. These are all the steps. All the steps. Now I'm going to go into my back office. All right, so I'm going to go into my back office here. I'm going to edit with Thrive Architect and show you how this works. All right, so here's the beauty of it. This is exactly what the site looks like. So when you're working on it, it doesn't look different. So I would just click here on a section, and then I could decide what I want to do, if I want to put an image in, or if I want to have any kind of, you upload your files. You just click and pull everything in. It's just like super easy. I highly suggest that you go to Thrive Architect because it has the landing pages. You have 5 sites that you can use this on. I created this with it. It's easy to pop in videos and everything else there, different columns, and there's so much more I could do with this. This just happens to be a very old site, and it's working, so I don't do anything. There's nothing on here that you can't add. Now I'm going to show you this. This is my old landing page, and I'm going to be upgrading. So you can see it's taking a little time to load, and that's a problem. This isn't even very pretty. All right, this is the SLC one. So I'm going to be changing that over, but you can start with your new landing pages with Thrive Themes and make it beautiful if you have your own business or if you want to upgrade to something more exciting. This is absolutely, look at all this training. Here's your landing page videos. So this is why I recommend Thrive. I think the instruction, the upgrades, these guys are on it every time. They've got their own university here where you can just learn how to be super effective with your funnels. So there's a lot of training in here on helping you to create lead generation, right? Create landing pages. Look at all of this. And there's extra courses that you can purchase, but you won't need to do that. All right, so get busy, and I hope this was helpful.